So here is the next question for you, okay? The next question says, the given pictograph shows the number of pens each child bought. Okay? So now, here is your pictograph information. So it says number of pens bought. First one is Madhav. The next one is Achyut. The next one is Krishna. The next is Raghav. Okay? And it says that each stands for 10 pens. Okay? So now, fine. Now, the first question for you is, how many pens Raghav have? The next question, who has twice as many pens as Raghav? Next one, if each pen costs ₹5, how much did Madhav spend in all? The next one, how many more pens must Krishna buy so that he can have the same number of pens as Raghav? And the last question, how many pens did the 4 children buy altogether? Okay. So now, the very first procedure is to solve the sums, right? Solve the information given in the graph. So Madhav they have said that one stick stands for 10 pence. So Madhav has got how many? 2, right? So 2 into 10, he has 20 pence. Next, Achyut. Achyut has got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 into 10, he has got 80 pence. Next is Krishna. Krishna has got 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 10, he has got 30 pence. Next comes Raghav. Raghav has 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 into 10 is 40. So what is the total number of pence which the kids have in all? Is 0, 8 plus 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 3 13 and 13 plus 4 is 17. So they have a total of 170 pence. So coming to the first one, how many pence Raghav has? It is 40, right? So we got the answer 40. Next, who has twice as many pence as Raghav? 2 times. So Raghav has got 40 and who is having 2 times of 40 is what? 80, right? So Achyut. Achyut is having 80 pence. So the answer is Achyut, where he has 80 pence with him. Okay. Next, if each pen cost rupees 5, how much did Madhav spend in all? So how many pence Madhav is having? Madhav is having 20 pence and each cost rupees 5. So which means 20 into 5. 2 5s are 10. So which means he spent 100 rupees to purchase 20 pence. Okay. Next, how many more pens must Krishna buy so that he can have the same number of pens as Raghav? So Raghav is having how much? 40. And Krishna is having how much? 30. Right? So if we reduce it, so in case if Krishna buys 10 pence more, his score with Raghav will be equal. That is, both will have 40 pence each. Okay. The last one, how many pens did 4 children buy altogether? So we have found the total. So they have bought a total of 170 pence. So was it interesting in solving these questions based on bar graph and pictograph, children? I hope you enjoyed solving the sums with me.